they're just my line wrenches, all different sizes. But it's not that style. It's a screw-in style. So I think I might add a couple pretty tools here. SOA or SOL. Another one. Doesn't look like it's anymore, but I have my pliers. Oh wait. I brought my trusty pliers. See if we can crack this thing free.
Yeah, turn it off, baby.
Unfortunately, I don't know. No, I was gonna say maybe you can get to the other side and see, but there's no fucking adjustable. Of course. Oh, what do you know? Is there in that bag, honey? There's a pair of channel locks. They look like this, but they're all silver. I think you had them in your hand.
Those
They're
were
big, honey. They're big.
these?
Yeah, same thing.
Oh.
Unfortunately, that's all I got. Because, unfortunately, I did not know that it was...
I thought the fuel filter was on, or the air filter was on the under the hood.
It's not an air filter, honey. Fuel filter.
Oh.
Silly girl. Unfortunately, I don't have... Oh. I want to go full of gas. Okay, they cracked free so far. That's a good thing. Okay. Lines are loose.
I wish I could see what you were doing.
Filter is loose, but there's no fuel coming out of it, which is kind of odd.
Is there no gas in it?
Huh. Wonder if his fucking fuel pump took a shit. Because there's no fuel at all. Which is very odd. Huh. Yeah, it's very odd. Wonder if it's the fuel pump. It almost seems like there's what the fuck are these for? Oh. Oh, but even still, what the fuck? Why would they have these? Huh. That's not for that. It's weird.
What? It's the wrong thing?
No, I don't think so. Just a different end. I just don't like how, unless it's just not cracked yet. Oh yeah, there's fuel. Fuck. I should put my hoodie on, because if I get gas on me, I could take it off.
Do you want your hoodie, Jess?
Yeah, I'm gonna come out.
Going back under after.
I don't think you can go on the other side and look over and see me. I don't think.
See what you're doing. You mean
Yeah.
See if we can get a better angle. Look at this thing. It's so nice. Oh yeah, I can see. That's where the fuel filter is.
What's that, honey?
I said that's where the fuel filter is. Wow.
Yeah. Something like that. I think. Hopefully. I just don't want to get full of gas, that's all. But it's kind of hard to do without getting full of gas. But I'm seeing if I can pop this off and fucking stuff this on the hose so it doesn't drain.
stuff that on the end. Maybe it'll stop it a little bit. Oh, fuck. Why is this? This should pop off. I don't know why it's not opening up. Do it, I'll get gas in there. It's very, very fucking hard. Sucks I only got pliers, but these are good pliers. So.
His dad's truck. Gotta help out his papa.
Alright. Let's see if it does anything.
You getting old, Papa?
Yeah, it's hard to get out of there.
Come here, Jax. Is that you? Come here. Birthday boy, Jaxie? That's our birthday boy. Big 9-year-old. Daddy just switched the fuel pump.
Fuel filter.
Fuel filter.
Okay. Just about done, buddy. I just gotta start it and make sure that's what it is.
Dr. Daddy. All the diagnostic. Jax. Oh, it started. Yay! Pop-Pop's truck started. You got it to start, baby. You got it to start.
Hopefully it stays running.
Okay. Where'd you go, Jax? Okay. What are you doing? Good boy.
Did you hit the gas at all or no?
About.
Okay.